Okay, so let us discuss about standardization. So it is a very important topic in pharmacy subject. So what does it mean? So it is used to confirm the quality of a substance with a standard substance. Means if we get a substance, okay, and we have to standardize it, then how we will do? So there is a substance initially present which is already a standard substance. So we will compare the new substance and the already present standard substance, and then there will be the standardization and the comparison of the similarities, dissimilarities, and all the characteristics. So this is mainly what is standardization. Coming to the next part, what are the methods of standardization? The first one is macroscopic evaluation, second one is microscopic evaluation, third one is physical evaluation, fourth one is chemical evaluation, fifth one is biological evaluation, or it is also known as biological assay or bioassay. Now let's see what is the macroscopic evolution. So it is mainly the sense organ, means which we see from or which we feel from the sense organ, like taste, smell, eye, touch. That if a thing is, it tastes sour, we can say that it is a sour substance. We can smell the perfume, we can see it, the object is big or small, we can touch and feel that the object is rough or hard or soft. So this is what the macroscopic evolution is, that it is based on the sense organ. Next, coming to the microscopic evolution, so it is mainly concerned with the botanical and cellular structure. So what we do in it, we cut the slides longitudinally and horizontally, okay, and then we can see it under a microscope, and this is what it is called microscopic evolution. Coming to the third one, that is physical evaluation. So what we see in it, we see the solubility of the substance, we see the specific gravity of the substance, we see the melting point of the substance, we see the boiling point of substance, and all the other things which comes in physical evaluation, etc. Okay, like this, these are the most used and the most common features which is used in the physical evaluation. Coming to the next, that is the chemical evaluation. So what it checks, it checks the ash value. Okay, it is mainly concerned with the ash value and also the chemical properties which are present in that substance. So ash value can be in what ways? So it can be acid soluble ash value, it can be water soluble ash value, or it can be water insoluble ash value. Coming to the next part, that is the biological assay, bioassay or the biological evolution. So what it is the important it is the important part, bioassay. Question is usually asked that what is bioassay. So it is a type of evolution in which drug is tested on lower animals. So what can be the lower animals? All you know that rabbit, mouse, guinea pig, etc. These are the lower animals. So these were the biological assay in which the substance or the drug is tested on the lower animals. And so thank you for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting and knowledgeable videos.